Hello everyone. If you can see the picture on my screen now, I created this beautiful and stunning fashion image with the help of AI. Lately a lot of people have been asking how can fashion designers benefit from AI and the modern technology everyone is using these days. So today I want to show you just how powerful and how practical AI can be for anyone in a fashion space, whether you are a designer or a clothes seller, or you're just someone that wants to create custom outfit for personal use. So this is for you. So if you're looking for a smarter, more affordable way to grow your brand and showcase your work, AI is a game changer. Now look at this picture on my screen. I didn't use any physical model. I didn't pay for any expensive photo shoots. I simply create this with the help of AI. So now I will take you through the process I follow to make this. So if you want to make this, you go to your browser, you type in the app I use. So I use Chat GPT for this. So it has a app. So if you like, you can download the app and make use of the app. But I will just make use of the web version of it. So I'll search for Chat GPT. So this is it, OpenAI. So I'll click on Chat GPT, OpenAI. So this is the page. This is the page. Get answers, find inspiration, be more productive. So what we need now is to click on the start button. Start now. Yeah, so GPT is asking me, what can I help you with? Ask anything. So this is exactly where you will input your prompt, how you want ChatGPT to design your picture for you. So everything you want to create out of the picture, you will explain it here. And guess what? You don't need to use big grammar or anything. Just make it simple. Discuss with ChatGPT. Just write it in a very simple word. Say whatever you want. Be free with GPT. So for this particular one now, I will just go ahead to input my prompt there. I recently sold this shirt. So I want ChatGPT. I don't want ChatGPT to just make use of any shirt's picture for me. So I will now tell ChatGPT that picture attached in front of it so that GPT will know that that same shirt I want to upload or I uploaded is what it's going to use to create my image for me. So picture attached. I'll now further prompt GPT. I'll say give me a picture of 5 men wearing this beautiful shirt. So I will further prompt GPT the way I want the shirt to be. Make the shirt in different colors, but let the design on the shirt. B, the exact design I uploaded in the okay, in the picture, in the attached picture. So after that, I can still like, what can I add? How can I beautify my picture? So any other thing I wish to add, I will keep on typing the way I want the picture to be so that it will come out stunning. Let the man be standing in front of a house showing a car and flowers. So further, I'll say make the picture real and sharp. So after this, you won't forget to upload the attached picture to it so that ChatGPT will make it exactly like the picture you attach. So to do this, you go to the plus sign, you click on the plus sign. So this will actually depend on when you save, where you save your own picture on your laptop. But for my own, I saved it already on my desktop. So I click on the desktop. That's the picture of the shirts. I clicked on it, uploading. So once it's done uploaded, you click on the send sign. So you click on it. Now, yeah. So it's getting started. Getting started. Processing image. Yeah. So the image is out. Yeah. So you can see it. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. So you can download your image where you want it, then use it for anything you want to use it for. Yeah, that's it. Thank you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.